I am getting it done. In the in past history also, I have built three tools for my office,
Mhm.
which is a ticketing tool and the PO management tool with the help
Mhm.
of only AI. So yeah, I was working on this. Then uh, I used I was using three nodes for
Okay.
categorization. One for categorization, second was for health score, and third for uh, yeah, revenue at risk, to calculate the
Okay.
revenue at risk.
Mhm.
Then I switched it to one. I combined all them. Then there was another issue that my system was not able to recognize the difference between the OTP and the revenue amount.
Sure. Mhm.
So after that, I implemented in that code not to identify no reply emails,
Mhm.
and in wherever there is no rupee symbol is also there, not to consider that. So these kind of challenges which I was facing, and then I overcome and I came to this solution. See, actually, before you joining the B10X, na, I was using only uh, ChatGPT and DeepSeek.
Okay.
After joining B10X,
Mhm.
I got to know that there are many tools in the market which I can use for
Mhm.
solving my daily purposes. Otherwise, I was also trying to create the images from ChatGPT only, and so yeah, just because of B10X, I came to know about many tools, and
Mhm.
currently I am exploring more tools.
Mhm.
So for this scalability, I am actually looking into it, for which I can go for this tool. Which tool will be best for this? And there are two to three things which I think still needs to be implemented. So I
Okay.
am thinking and figuring out that.
Great. 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 A very hearty welcome, Nitesh. We are really very glad to have you with us today. And this interview is to discuss the project that you have built and the impact that it aims to create. So let's get started. And to begin with, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, this side Nitesh. Uh, Currently, I'm working in Unitech, basically on role. I am in placed in Kinetic Facilities Private Limited. So,
Mhm.
but I am deputed at Unitech Private Limited. So
Mhm.
basically, it's a construction company. But my background is in IT.
Okay.
So I am working as a senior manager there.
Mhm.
So this is all. I'll live in Delhi. Yeah,
Okay, wonderful. And how many years of experience do you have?
around 14 years.
Wonderful. Okay. So now can you please explain your project? Like what did you build and what was the problem? What is the problem that it solves and like who is your target users?
Um, Basically, when I got to know that there's hackathon and we have to develop uh, an tool which
Mm-hmm.
can solve the problem. So means in our company also, we used to face a problem. One thing which is a lot that every day whenever we used to start a day, we
Mm-hmm.
used to look a mail, and in that mail there are multiples mail.
Mm-hmm.
So some are important, some are not to reply.
Mm-hmm.
So these kind of mails, but so I thought that founders who are having a small business, or they are solo entrepreneurs,
Mm-hmm.
so they must be also facing same type of problems. So when this AI trend started, everyone, I got to know that they are able to categorize the emails.
Mm-hmm.
So I was thinking beyond this.
Okay.
uh, so I tried to add the sentiment analysis also.
Mm-hmm.
And there are clients which are at risk. So means sometimes they used to mail regarding an issue, and
Mm-hmm.
it's buried under a multiple newsletters we don't use to look at.
Mm-hmm.
And but it's very essential to reply them and solve that issue. So whenever the client is not happy, so it uh, it's at risk. Basically they can
Mm-hmm.
leave you. So just to uh, basically I will tell my tool that it's a revenue intelligence system which
Mm-hmm.
can let you know about the health score, sentiments, and how much revenue is it at risk. So
Okay.
basically my tool is that.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So, how did you design your solution approach? Like, what was your initial plan, and did you change the approach during the development or something like that?
Yeah, I started making a workflow on n
Mm-hmm.
and s- I started with the first categorization only.
Mm-hmm.
Then I was thinking of using the APIs, so I used that. But I was facing one problem
Okay.
that while using API, there is a limits
Mm-hmm.
which gets exhausted,
Mm-hmm.
and it brings the cost also.
Yes.
So that's why then I first I implemented API, then I removed that. I moved to JavaScript,
Mm-hmm.
and actually I am a non coder.
Okay.
So everything I built with an AI only, with the use of AI, uh, because in my starting career, I was working as a business analyst.
Okay.
So there are many imaginations in my mind, but you can't get it developed with easily because I was a coder. But
Mm-hmm.
with the help of AI today, uh, I am getting it done. In the in past history also, I have built three tools for my office,
Mm-hmm.
which is a ticketing tool and the PO management tool with the help of only AI. So yeah, I was working on this. Then uh, I used I was using three nodes for
Okay.
categorization. One for categorization, second was for health score, and third for uh, yeah, revenue at risk, to calculate the
Okay.
revenue at risk.
Mm-hmm.
Then I switch it to one. I combined all them. Then there was another issue that my system was not able to recognize the difference between the OTP and the revenue amount.
Sure. Mm-hmm.
So after that, I implemented in that code not to identify no reply emails,
Mm-hmm.
and in wherever there is no rupee symbol is also there, not to consider that. So these kind of challenges which I was facing, and then I overcome and I came to this solution.
Wonderful. So, when did you join this AI Career Accelerator program?
I joined in November.
Okay, so it's like 3 to 4 months right now.
Yeah,
Great. So, which tools and technologies did you use in this particular project?
I used an 8N for making the workflow,
Mm-hmm.
and Google Sheet in
Mm-hmm.
which my data used to get imported there.
Okay.
Then I use for dashboard Google, and that's it, and the JavaScript. Yeah,
Okay, okay, wonderful. So now can you please walk me through the project step by step? Like I just want to see the, output of your project. So can we have the demonstration?
yeah, sure, sure. So in
Mm-hmm.
this, I received the mails from. It consists of basically complaints or any appreciation or any collaboration proposals. So all type of emails I used to receive there, and
Okay.
this is the workflow which I designed.
Mm-hmm.
So my first was a trigger point.
Okay.
So it automatically triggers at every 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
And this is my note for Gmail, where I connected my Gmail here
Okay.
for the emails.
Mm-hmm.
And this is my code where all the processes are written.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is my Google Sheet
Mm-hmm.
where my all the records gets added there.
Okay.
Yeah. So currently you can see my Google Sheet. It's empty. Okay.
Okay.
And this is my dashboard. Currently I have cleaned my data, so that's
Okay.
why it's not showing any figures or values. So my workflow has successfully run, and you
Mm.
can see all the emails which I have received. It has been imported here in the Google Sheet. Here I
Okay.
have collected timestamp,
Mm-hmm.
senders, subject, and what are the tasks. It also tells me where my action is required or not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it also showing me the time saved, client name, what is the sentiment.
Okay.
So for calculating the sentiment, now I have used the keywords. On the basis
Okay.
of keywords, it used to analyze whether the sentiment is positive, negative,
Understood.
and health score, and how much the revenue is at risk if the client is not happy.
Mm-hmm.
And this Google Sheet is connected with my Google Studio.
Okay.
Let me refresh my data. I hope my dashboard is visible.
Yes. 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 I can see.
Yeah. So basically, this is the image I have created with the use of AI. This
Mm-hmm.
logo part, and it shows me the total value detected. We
Mm-hmm.
used to receive the proposals or anything, so that amount has been calculated, and it's showing here how much it at risk revenue, how
Mm-hmm.
much time I have saved in segregating the mails and not looking in. And this is my chart where client health is showing, and
Mm-hmm.
numbers are also showing for the urgent and important mails. And
Right.
I have listed the risk to whom I should prioritize to contact them and get the issue resolved.
Mm-hmm.
So
One.
basically, this is the tool.
Great. This is absolutely amazing tool. So, which part of this project did you like the most?
That API part, because uh, that API was a major challenge for me,
Mm-hmm.
because sometime every time I am getting the message that my limits has been exhausted
Mm-hmm.
and to have pay. So after 2 to 3 hours, I came to this solution.
Mm-hmm.
And one major challenge I was also facing, it was considering one email only,
Okay.
the last email which I have received, so it is calculating that only.
Mm-hmm.
So for that I use the for loop
Great,
and
great.
get it resolved.
So, for data, you're using Google Sheets for now, right? Now, what if
Yeah.
you need to analyze it in a scalable format? So, what is your opinion on that? Like, how you are going to scale this particular project?
See, actually, before you joining the B10X, na, I was using only uh, ChatGPT and DeepSeek.
Okay.
After joining B10X,
Mm-hmm.
I got to know that there are many tools in the market which I can use for
Mm-hmm.
solving my daily purposes. Otherwise, I was also trying to create the images from ChatGPT only, and so yeah, just because of B10X, I came to know about many tools, and
Mm-hmm.
currently I am exploring more tools.
Mm-hmm.
So for this scalability, I am actually looking into it, for which I can go for this tool. Which tool will be best for this? And there are two to three things which I think still needs to be implemented. So I
Okay.
am thinking and figuring out that.
Great, great, great. How this journey has changed you as a person till now, apart from the professional impact that you have got?
See, I have changed a lot because, as I mentioned earlier, that being a non-developer,
Mm-hmm.
I used to, you can say, my hands were tied, that I was not able to create my imaginations. But by joining the B10X and after exploring many tools, so now I am free because recently I have, as I mentioned, that I have created three tools in my
Mm-hmm.
office. One was a IT ticketing tool, another was a normal ticketing tool where we used to log the issues, and third was PO management. Currently, I am working on a website using Google Anti Gravity.
Okay,
So
wonderful.
yeah, means B10X has taught me to explore the tools basically a lot, and
Great.
all the faculties, they are teaching us with a very uh, patience, and you can say with heart they are teaching us. So mm, this is how I have changed. Yeah,
Great, wonderful to hear. What are your future goals after completing this program?
I have first I am looking for another job.
Okay.
Yeah, and I am thinking of starting a business also
Mm-hmm.
where I can work on these tools,
Mm-hmm.
make new. Currently, we are working on a reconciliation tool also for my
Okay.
company. So yeah, these are my future goals.
So great, Nitesh. Last question from my end. How does it feel? Okay, in the at the time of November, you started being a non-tech. You started with this program, and after 4 to 5 months, now you are a winner of a hackathon where you can solve the real life problems that you are facing. So how are you feeling right now for this?
I am so much happy that I cannot, means words are also not sufficient for that, because I was actually a sports person, so I got the first positions in those as a team.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my basically a first event in the academics, and you can say where I am a winner.
Mm-hmm.
So I am so much happy. Yeah,
Wonderful. Congratulations. So,
thanks.
thank you so much for sharing your project with us. And is there anything else that you would like to add?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I am happy. Yeah,
Okay, okay. So, it was great connecting with you and understanding the impact that you are working towards. So, we appreciate your efforts and we wish you continued success ahead. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining.
thanks. Thank you.
Thank you so much.